Let us discuss about transdermal therapeutic system, or we can simply say dermal patches, transdermal patches. This is a form of drug delivery system, right? This is a form of drug delivery system. Here what we do is we'll make drug to pass through skin. Okay, drug process through skin. Suppose this is skin, we apply a patch here over the skin, right? We apply a patch over the skin, and this patch will deliver the drug into the skin, and from there into systemic circulation, right? So how we are going to deliver the drug? We are applying a patch over the skin, right? This patch delivers the drug into the skin, from there into systemic circulation. Clear? This is how drug is delivered in this system, right? Now let's see how this patch looks like. Okay, let's see how this patch looks like. So this is skin. If think this is skin, right? Let me make it horizontal. Suppose this is skin, right? We are having skin. Over the skin we have patch like this. This is patch. What is this patch? Transdermal patch, right? Transdermal patch. This patch, it has got many layers. Let's see the layers. The immediate layer of transdermal patch above the skin is adhesive layer. This is adhesive layer. Adhesive layer, as the name itself indicates, it adheses the patch to the skin, right? It gives the patch to the skin. Clear? And these adhesive layer contain drug, priming dose, right? And the next layer is micropore layer. We have pores like this, right, in the next layer. And this layer is called rate controlling micropore membrane. This is called rate controlling micropore membrane. Okay, so the first layer we have here is adhesive layer. Second layer is this is micropore layer, and the third layer is we have reservoir here. Okay, this layer, this is reservoir of drug. Okay, in this we have drug. Through the micropores it goes into the first layer, from there into the systemic circulation, right? So in the first layer we have priming dose, right? Whereas in the third layer we have reservoir of drug, right? So this layer is called drug reservoir. This is called, the third layer is this. Let's discuss the layers from the beginning. If talk about this layer, this is skin, right? In the first layer we have what is called adhesive layer, right? We have adhesive layer. In the second layer we have micropores, right? We have micropore. This is called rate controlling micropore membrane, right? In the third layer we have reservoir. This is called drug reservoir, right? And the fourth layer we have here is, this entire layer is called backing film, right? So these are the four layers. The first layer is adhesive layer, where we have a priming dose. Why Clear? This is called priming dose. In adhesive layer we have priming dose. In third layer we have reservoir. That means here is the stock of drug in third layer, right? Fourth layer we have bagging film. So this is how a patch looks like, right? And when you first go to the medical shop and ask for a patch, you will have one more layer before sticking this, before attaching this patch to the skin. We have one more layer, and this layer is peeled off. Before applying over the skin, this layer is peeled off, the very first layer, right? So this peeled off, right? This is about the structure of transdermal patch. Now let's see what are the uses of this transdermal patches. If talk about uses, see this patch, what it does is it transfers drug into the systemic circulation with constant rate, right? It sends the drug into the skin at a constant rate, so fluctuations will not be there. Fluctuations of blood plasma levels will not be there, right? And if talk about the drugs that we are using right now, they are glyceryl trinitrate, fentanyl, nicotine, estradiol. So these drugs are used in the form of transdermal patch in India. Clear? And this is transdermal patch, right? If talk about side effects, if talk about side effects, most of the time there will not be any side effects. These are seen only in some people. The main side effects are erythema over the skin, and sometimes even itching. Okay, but these side effects can be overcome by changing the place of patch, by changing the patch place, right? If you apply the patch over thigh, then you have to change it to somewhere in the body, like you can change it to the chin. Okay, we can change it to forehead, like that. We have to change the site of attachment of this transdermal patch, right? What are the commonly used sites for attachment? The commonly used sites are, we can use over the thigh, we can use over arm, we can use over abdomen, right? We can use over buttock, right? These are some of the places. We can use over chest, right? So these are the some of the places, and we can use even your master region also. Okay, right? Thigh, upper arm, abdomen, buttock, chest, mastoid area. These are some of the places where we can use this transdermal system. Thank you for watching.